So this is a quick video on how to put the Samson king size storage bed together. So take the drawers out first. They're easy to work with. You can slide those in after the fact. When you're taking them out, by the way, you see these little plastic clips right here. Those push in, and then you can pull this whole assembly out. You have to push them in on both sides, and then that drawer comes out. And it slides in without having to do anything to it. Just slide them in. But in putting it together, the first thing you want to do is put the 2 dowels at each one of these corners, sticking out of this. Put another one with 2 dowels there. Slide everything in the dowels, slide over the dowels, and obviously these bolts will slide in here. Make sure that this base is towards the bottom. That way this can hold up your actual mattress. There's no box spring required for this unless you want one. And so just put these on with the rectangle washer, then the lock washer, and then the nut, and then wrench tight each one of these so you have 8 of those to do. Then you want to put in these 3 cross members here, and make sure you put the one that has the holes in it drilled in right there at this long end. And then the next thing to do is put these masonite boards together. This one has these numbered in order. They're not all the same width, but it's pretty simple. The long screws go on this end, the short screws go on that end. And that's it. It actually goes together very simply. There's not a lot to it, so hope this helps.